Today we will make a free energy generator using copper coils arranged in a circular manner and a circular magnet, and see that whether energy is generated or not. For that, we will take these coils. We will take these coils and make it in the form of a circular flywheel. So these types of coil we will take it in four numbers. So we will take four numbers of coils and arrange in such a way that it will fit in this circular ring made out of aluminum. So for this we will arrange it in such a way that it will fit in a circular way. So we will arrange it. We will remove the insulation one by one. Once we have fitted all this coil in a circular ring, after that we will take a coil of same, then mount it over this in such a way that it will align with the circumference of that coil. So once it is been done, next we will rotate this, fix this coil over this aluminum coil tightly. So once it is been done from both the side, once it is been removed, cut the extra portion. Same thing we will do with the center wire. Remove the insulation. Once the insulation is removed, once it has been done, next we will take a stand to fix it with a two-sided tape and fix it according to the center of, and mount this to fit the coil. Once it has been done, next we will fix the motor in front of the coil in such a way that maximum flux is linking with the coil. Now we will fix the two terminals, one at the center of the coil and one to the end of the coil on the circumference. So we will take the wire, solder it in the center of the point of that coil where all the coils are being twisted together in series. So we will solder that point and connect the wire to that to make a terminal, and one wire will fix it to another point on the circumference, so that both the wires are being connected to make the two terminals of this coil. Once it is been done, now we will fix the screws and connect these terminals to these screws. Now connect both the terminals to the screw with the help of a diode in a forward bias, so that half wave rectification will occur with a filter capacitor. Once the diode is been connected, now we will fix a filter capacitor to the terminal. Once the filter capacitor is been connected, now we will take the extension board and fix the extension board and connect the inputs of the extension board with the output of these terminals. Solder it properly. So both the terminals are been fixed with the output terminals. Once the both the terminals are fixed with the output terminals. So we'll fix the another wire with the terminal. Once it is been done, next we will connect the motor to the extension board and see whether the EMF is generated or not. Once the torque is being given, the motor start rotating in front of the coil, and we will check what number of voltage is being generated. The multimeter is being kept in 20 volt range, and we can check what is the voltage generated. So here we can see that 3.87 volt is been generated. 3.87 volt is been generated. So this works over the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, stating that whenever the flux linking with the coil changes, an EMF will be generated in the coil. Here we can connect the bulb and see the glowing of bulb indicates that EMF is generated in the coil. So here you can see that how the motor is rotating, the magnet is rotating in front of the coil, thus generating the EMF in the coil. So this works over the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, stating that whenever the flux linking with the coil changes, EMF is generated in the coil. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon